Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alex and I'm gonna show you in this video how to update an array of objects in Cloud Firestore. This is a video for an article that I wrote. Link is also in the description below, which was recently published on the Firebase Tips and Tricks publication on Medium. Let's begin. As you already know, even from the beginning, the array is a supported data type in Firestore. It's very useful for storing data in string format or even in custom objects, as long as the size of the document is less than 1 megabyte. For larger amounts of data, a sub-collection is more likely to be used. However, if you only need a small amount of data, then storing it in an array is the best option that we have. When it comes to the official documentation regarding how to update array elements in Firestore, it is said that if your document contains an array field, you can use array union and array remove to add and remove elements. Array union adds elements to an array, but only elements not already present, while array remove removes all instances of each given element. As you can see, there is no update option present. We can only add or remove array elements. Why is no update option available when it comes to Cloud Firestore? This option is not available because in order to update an element in a Firestore array, we need to know its index, and Firestore doesn't have the ability to update an existing element by its index. So the only option that we have in order to perform an update is to add a new element to the array using array union and remove the existing element using array remove as described in the documentation. Are there any alternative to update array elements? Yes, there is an alternative, which is to read the entire document on the client, modify the items in the array, and then write the document back to Firestore. So let's try using the solution from the documentation as well as the alternative. So I'll try to explain in this video both ways in which we can update a single element in a Firestore array. Let's assume we have a database schema that looks like this, where each user object contains a string property called name and an array of friend objects called friends. Let's try in the following example to update John's age from 20 to 21. So how to actually perform the update? First, we need to find John in the array, remove it, and add it back with the new age. So let's define a collection reference object that points to the user collection and find John in the array using this code. As you can see, we perform the array remove and array union operation inside the callback. Please also note that in order to find John, we need to perform the query using all the data in the friends object. We cannot get the desired result if you are using only partial data, so be aware of this constraint. However, the operation might sound a little costly since it requires two update operations, one for removing John from the array and the second one for adding John with the changed age. In the alternative solution, we can remove and add the friend object in the friends list in one go. So in the end, we can perform a single set operation. And the code looks exactly like this. To make this solution work, we need also to override equals method in our friend class. So in a conclusion, these are the two options that we have in order to update a single element in an array of objects in Cloud Firestore. It's also worth mentioning that not only the update operation based on an index is not available, but the insert and the delete operation as well. If you are concerned about multiple clients trying to change a shared array in a document, you should then try doing the operation in a transaction. In this way, you'll always have consistent data. So in the end, guys, you can check the entire article on Medium, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. But if you think you learned something new, please subscribe to my channel, as you already know more videos are coming. Bye!